7 colors and 7 flowers. Colors are everywhere. Your watch, your phone, and even your hair. Let's talk about colors and flowers. We have 7 colors. Let's look at the 7 different colors and flowers. Ready? First color is red. This is red. Red. What flower can we find in red? A rose. A red rose. This is a red rose. A rose. Second color is blue. This is blue. Blue. What flower can we find in blue? A hydrangea. A blue hydrangea. This is a hydrangea. Hydrangea. Third color is yellow. This is yellow. Yellow. What flower can we find in yellow? A dandelion. A yellow dandelion. This is a yellow dandelion. A dandelion. Fourth color is pink. This is pink. Pink. What flower can we find in pink? A lotus. A pink lotus. This is a lotus. A lotus. Fifth color is purple. This is purple. Purple. What flower can we find in purple? A lavender. A purple lavender. This is a purple lavender. A lavender. Sixth color is orange. This is orange. Orange. What flower can we find in orange? A poppy flower. An orange poppy flower. This is an orange poppy flower. A poppy flower. Seventh color is green. This is green. Green. What flower can we find in green? A hibiscus. A green hibiscus. This is a green hibiscus. Hibiscus. A red rose. A blue hydrangea. A yellow dandelion. A pink lotus. A purple lavender. An orange poppy flower. A green hibiscus. What color is a lotus flower? Is it red or pink? Pink. A lotus flower is pink. What color is a hydrangea? Is it green or blue? Blue. A hydrangea is blue. What color is the lavender flower? Is it orange, pink, or purple? Purple. The lavender is purple. What color is the hibiscus? Is it red, green, or yellow? Green. Hibiscus is green. What color is the dandelion? Is it purple, yellow, or red? Yellow. A dandelion is yellow. What color is the poppy flower? Is it orange, red, or blue? Orange. The poppy flower is orange. What color is the rose? Is it red, pink, or yellow? A rose is red. A red rose. Red, blue, yellow, pink, purple, orange, green. Today, we learned about 7 colors and 7 flowers. See you soon. Bye.